Have you ever wondered if a simple drink could help you wave goodbye to high cholesterol? Picture this. You wake up feeling lighter, your heart feels stronger, and your doctor congratulates you on healthier numbers. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, today I'm going to share 7 easy-to-make drinks that can genuinely change your life and help seniors like you take control of cholesterol levels naturally. We all know how daunting cholesterol management can feel. Long lists of foods to avoid, complicated diets, and that sinking worry every time you think about your heart health. But what if the secret isn't just in what you cut out, but in what you add in? These 7 drinks pack vitamins, antioxidants, and natural fibers that work together to clear out bad cholesterol, boost good cholesterol, and give your heart the support it needs. And the best part? You don't need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen. Each recipe comes together in minutes, using items you probably already have at home. So, before we dive into these life-changing drinks, do me a quick favor. If you find any of these recipes helpful, hit the like button and tap subscribe. That way, you'll never miss simple, natural tips to keep you feeling your best. Ready to start sipping your way to better heart health? Let's count down from 7 to the one drink you absolutely can't miss. 7. Warm lemon water. Imagine starting your day with a gentle, warming drink that feels like a hug for your insides. Warm lemon water does exactly that. The moment you take that first sip, the warmth helps awaken your digestive system, while the fresh citrus scent perks up your senses. As the vitamin C enters your body, it begins its work as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your blood vessels from damage and keeping your arteries flexible. This flexibility is key to preventing plaque buildup that can raise cholesterol levels. To make this drink, simply squeeze the juice of half a ripe lemon into a mug, then pour in hot, but not boiling, water. Stir slowly, watching the little bubbles rise as the lemon mixes with the warm water. For an extra boost of flavor and heart-healthy benefits, drop in a thin slice of fresh ginger. Ginger adds a mild spice and brings its own antioxidant power, helping to calm inflammation in your body. Drink this first thing in the morning before eating anything else, so your body can absorb all the goodness without interference from other foods. Over time, you'll notice you feel lighter, less bloated, and more energized. It's as if you've given your heart a small gift each morning, one that, when repeated daily, adds up to big changes in your cholesterol numbers. 6. Green tea. Green tea isn't just a warm, comforting drink. It's like a secret agent working undercover to balance your cholesterol. Inside each cup are catechins, natural compounds that have been shown to help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, and gently raise HDL, the good cholesterol. These catechins also support healthy blood vessels by reducing oxidative stress, so your arteries stay clear and flexible. To prepare the perfect cup, heat your water until you see tiny bubbles forming around the edges, just before boiling. Remove from heat and let it cool for about a minute. Then, place a green tea bag in your cup and pour the warm water over it. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Any longer, and it can become bitter. As it steeps, notice the pale green hue deepening and breathe in the fresh, grassy aroma. If you prefer a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey or a splash of lemon, both of which pair beautifully with green tea's earthy notes. Sip this tea mid-morning or early afternoon to give yourself a gentle energy lift without the jitters of coffee. Over weeks of daily sipping, you'll be supporting your heart, one smooth, soothing cup at a time. 5. Pomegranate juice. Think of pomegranate juice as a ruby-red treasure chest filled with heart-helping jewels. Every sip is loaded with potent antioxidants called punicalagins, which not only fight inflammation, but also prevent the buildup of harmful plaque on artery walls. By keeping these vessels clean and supple, pomegranate juice helps lower your bad cholesterol and keeps your heart pumping smoothly. For the best results, choose 100% pure pomegranate juice with no extra sugars or fillers. Pour about 3/4 of a cup into a glass, enough to feel satisfied, but not so much that the natural sugars overwhelm your diet. You'll notice its slightly tart flavor, which you can soften by adding a splash of cold water or stirring in a few fresh mint leaves. As you sip, imagine those powerful antioxidants patrolling your bloodstream, clearing away unhealthy particles and making room for better circulation. Try to incorporate this vibrant drink into your daily routine, perhaps as an afternoon refresher or alongside your lunch. With time, you'll likely see improvements in how you feel, more vitality, steadier energy, and most importantly, a healthier cholesterol balance. 4. Oat milk smoothie. Imagine sipping a creamy, lightly sweet drink that helps sweep away excess cholesterol every time you take a gulp. Oat milk is naturally rich in beta-glucan, a gentle fiber that works like a sponge inside your gut, soaking up cholesterol before it can enter your bloodstream. To make this heart-healthy smoothie, grab 1 cup of unsweetened oat milk and pour it into your blender. Add half a ripe banana for natural sweetness, a handful of fresh spinach leaves for an extra boost of vitamins, and a few ice cubes to give it a refreshing chill. Blend on high until the mixture is smooth and frothy. As you drink this in place of a heavy breakfast or as a midday snack, the beta-glucan travels through your digestive tract, binding to cholesterol particles and carrying them out of your body. Meanwhile, the banana and spinach provide potassium and antioxidants that support healthy blood pressure and blood vessel function. Over time, this simple swap, replacing sugary drinks or cream-based coffees, can make a real difference in your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. 3. Turmeric golden milk. Think of golden milk as a warm, soothing hug for your heart. Turmeric's star ingredient, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that help calm the small aches and swelling inside your arteries, one of the hidden culprits behind high cholesterol. To prepare this comforting drink, gently warm 1 cup of milk. You can choose dairy, almond, or any plant-based option you like. Whisk in 1-2 teaspoons of bright yellow turmeric powder until it dissolves completely. Add a pinch of black pepper, which may sound odd, but actually helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. Finally, stir in a small drizzle of honey or maple syrup to take away any bitterness. Sip this rich, golden beverage in the evening, just before bedtime. As the warm liquid settles, it not only relaxes your mind and body, but also delivers curcumin directly to your bloodstream, where it works to reduce inflammation and support healthy cholesterol balance. With each nightly cup, you're giving your heart a chance to rest and repair itself naturally. 2. Apple cider vinegar tonic. If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss way to help manage your cholesterol, apple cider vinegar, ACV, can be a game changer. ACV contains acetic acid, which studies suggest may improve how your body breaks down fats and lowers total cholesterol and triglycerides. To make your tonic, mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a full glass of water. If the sharp taste is too strong, add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to soften the flavor. Stir well so everything blends together. Drink this tonic once a day, ideally before a meal, to give your digestive system a gentle nudge. The ACV helps regulate your blood sugar and fat metabolism, meaning less cholesterol travels through your arteries. Over weeks of daily sipping, you may notice steadier energy levels and, most importantly, healthier cholesterol readings when you check with your doctor. 1. Berry beet smoothie. Imagine enjoying a bright, ruby red smoothie that tastes as good as it looks and works hard for your heart. Beets are rich in betaine, a natural compound that helps your liver clear out a blood marker linked to heart disease. Berries bring in extra fiber and antioxidants, which join forces to keep your arteries clear and your cholesterol balanced. To make this powerful drink, start with 1-2 cup of cooked, cooled beet chunks. Fresh beets steamed or roasted work best. Add 1-2 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and 1-2 cup of plain yogurt for a creamy texture. If you like, toss in a small handful of spinach for extra vitamins. It won't change the flavor much. Blend everything with a splash of water until it's smooth and thick. Sip this smoothie in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. With every glass, you're feeding your body high-power nutrients that support liver health, reduce bad cholesterol, and keep your heart pumping strong. Enjoy it regularly, and you'll be giving your body one of the most effective natural tools against high cholesterol. And that's a wrap on our 7 heart-helping drinks to tackle high cholesterol. Simple, natural, and easy to add into your daily routine. Remember, little habits add up. Pick one drink to start today and gradually build up to trying them all. Your heart will thank you for the extra care, and before you know it, you'll see the difference in how you feel and in your next checkup results. Which of these drinks are you most excited to try first? Drop your choice in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorites and any benefits you notice along the way. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss more easy health ideas. Here's to stronger hearts and healthier days ahead. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers to your well-being.